Another thing that you need to know how to do is section views. So you can go to Drawing, Section View, and let's grab a horizontal. You can hit check, drag it up, and now you can see as if that was cut in on like a bandsaw right there. That's the view, which is how I created this, just I used a vertical one. Another version of this, top into this drawing. Another version of this is called an offset section view. Let's say you want to have a cutting plane go through this part, but you also want to be able to see this and this section. So what you can do is grab section view. Let's make it vertical. We can pop it in right there, and then we can grab this notch offset, and these numbers tell you which order to click. 1, 2, 3. So we can grab it right there, and then bring it over to this. Then we can grab one more, below the hole, above the hole, drag it over, click, hit the check, and now we have an offset section that cuts along this path and gives us this view labeled section EE, which you can see E and E. And that's how you would create an offset section view. Go ahead and delete that.